SPACs this year have raised triple the amount that they did in all of 2019, about $46 billion total. Some look at that and say, bubble. Others, namely the prominent speakers at yesterday's Delivering Alpha, believe that SPACs have staying power. Apollo Global, known more for taking companies private through leveraged buyouts, recently filed to take a yet-to-be-determined company public through a $750 million SPAC. Co-founder Josh Harris says SPACs aren't going anywhere.
SPACs provide a real pocket for pre-IPO into IPO capital that we don't have otherwise, and we think we also could add value to the market. We have hundreds of companies that have gone into the public markets. They've done well in the public markets, and so these are no different. It's just a unique strategy that I believe is here to stay and will be a big part of the market.
Chamath Palihapitiya also touted the benefits of SPACs, saying that they simplify the route to the public markets for companies and provide more opportunities for investors.
We need more specifically high-growth companies to be public, especially so that you can give ordinary folks the chance to own these things in their 401ks, in retirement accounts, generate returns for them to replace, bonds that now do nothing for them.
Palihapitiya urged investors to do their due diligence, noting that not all SPACs are created equal. Guys.
Your conversation with Josh Harris was fascinating on that topic. Also on the 76ers, by the way. Love you for going there. But Palihapitiya, really, you nailed it on that last point. He was extremely cautious about saying you need to watch and know how much of the SPAC sponsor's own capital is going in. If there's a lot of it, you can ride with that jockey. If that SPAC sponsor is riding on other people's money, sort of watch out, right?
Right. And he said, similar to the way that not all hedge funds are great, not all private equity firms are great, not all SPAC managers are great, that investors really have to do their due diligence and say, do I want to write a blank check to this individual? Do I trust him or her to make an acquisition that I can really get behind, that I think has staying power? And recently, we've seen some of these deals get announced, and the stock price didn't do so well. For example, the one with Hims and Hers, sorry for butchering that name. I know you're going to talk about it momentarily. That stock price traded lower upon the announcement this morning. So you really do have to pay attention to who you're putting money with, who you're writing a blank check to before you really sign up, or else you might, see some declines in that investment.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.